Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Down Sound Entertainment has created a week-long takeover of Montego Bay from Sunday, July 16 to 22 with over 5 over-the-top themed pre-event parties, cutting-edge live streaming and the world's top reggae acts. President Joe Bogdanovich shares the details.
You've got great talent here in Jamaica. You've got artists that travel the world, that play all over the world. Why is it that the rest of the world books these acts? And we have them right here. They're international, talented artists. And so rather than paying the money to get a really big American act, and often some of the hip-hop acts just don't do as well here in the homeland as you might think. And the prices were just astronomically high and impossible to support. So it just made a lot of clear sense to just listen, let's just call it our music, our festival, and show what we have to the tourists when they come, and to our local people here, of how we can turn the swag up to make great production.
Joe also boasts the addition of an ultra VIP section where seating, covered cabanas, bottle lounge and other amenities will be available. Now, to add to an already star-studded lineup, Down Sound Entertainment announced the addition of a special performance by Stephen Marley and his son Joe Mercer Marley on Saturday night. So on Sunday, the Gospelash team took the launch of this year's event to church.
We're having the Kids Kingdom, and we're also starting the morning with a 5K run walk in Hellshire. So it promises to be a very fun filled day, a day packed with activities. And again, it's for everybody. It's for the young, the not so young, the young at heart. It's for the Christian, it's for the non-Christian, it's for those who are looking for something clean, something wholesome, something entertaining. I mean, when you talk about Credit Union's Gospelash, you talk about something that is friendly. It's for the friends, it's for the family. You come with food, you come, you get fun, you get fellowship. So we're encouraging all of Jamaica, come August 1, Emancipation Day. The place to be is Sugarman Beach over at Hellshire.
This year's special guest is Grammy Award-winning gospel artist Ty Tribbett. He joins local heavyweights DJ Nicholas, Jermaine Edwards, Ryan Mark and Chevelle Franklin, just to name a few. And on the international scene, $170 million is the estimated amount that the newly released Spider-Man Homecoming film has brought in during its release over the weekend in the US. The film, which has already grossed over $250 million worldwide since June, has earned rave reviews. Homecoming, which stars Tom Holland as Peter Parker / Spider-Man, co-produced by Sony and Marvel Studios, is the latest reboot of the Spider-Man film franchise. A sequel is expected to be released in July of 2019. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.